Trump breaking news. Both Trump and Harris agree that marijuana should be legal, bowing to public opinion. After Trump supported a Florida ballot initiative to legalize recreational marijuana, Kamala Harris accused her Republican opponent of flip-flopping. The vice president did not officially support marijuana legalization until 2018, when 2/3 of Americans did. Due to public opinion shifts, both presidential contenders have modified their positions on this topic over time. However, neither would necessarily confront the unsustainable tension between state marijuana legislation and federal prohibition if elected. Trump, then a millionaire New York developer, branded the war on drugs a joke in 1990 and advocated legalization. "We're losing miserably the fight on drugs," he remarked in Miami. "You must legalize drugs to win that fight." Trump anticipated people would start to recognize that this is the only approach, there is no other answer in an interview after the address. He bizarrely claimed his 1990 words did not promote legalization as a Republican presidential candidate. 25 years later, Trump shared Hillary Clinton's marijuana legalization stance during the campaign. "I truly believe we should leave it up to the states," he added, but he called legalization a poor policy that has generated some huge difficulties in Colorado. Despite Trump's stated support for state-run marijuana policy, his first Attorney General, Jeff Sessions, revoked a Justice Department memo advising federal prosecutors to leave state-licensed cannabis suppliers alone. William Barr, Sessions' replacement, didn't even try to start a crackdown. Trump also proposed deleting an annual budget rider that prevents the Justice Department from meddling with state medical marijuana programs. That failed too. The Harris campaign claims those two actions contradicted Trump's Saturday Truth Social post. He predicted Florida voters would legalize marijuana in November and listed reasons to celebrate. "Someone should not be a criminal in Florida for marijuana possession when this is lawful in so many other states," Trump added. He said pot busts ruin lives and waste taxpayer dollars. Trump's marijuana legalization opinions have changed. The same goes with Harris. The racial discrepancies in punishment nationally have slammed Harris for aggressively prosecuting weed-related crimes as California's Attorney General and San Francisco's District Attorney, according to USA Today. She opposed a California legalization initiative in 2010, when she was San Francisco District Attorney, laughed at a question about legalization in 2014, when she was running for Attorney General against a Republican who supported it, and declined to comment on the 2016 recreational use initiative as California Attorney General. 2 years later, Harris became a senator and said, "We need to decriminalize marijuana nationwide." Later that year, she co-sponsored a federal ban repeal measure and presented a similar bill in 2019. However, President Joe Biden has consistently opposed federal legalization, and the 2024 Democratic platform says nothing about it. However, the Republican platform does not mention marijuana liberalization. That silence is surprising given that 38 states have legalized medicinal marijuana and 24 of them, which account for majority of the U.S. population, allow recreational usage. Gallup reports that 70% of Americans, 87% of Democrats, 70% of independents, and 55% of Republicans support marijuana legalization. Saturday, both major party presidential candidates agree. Whether either will act is unknown.